according to the instructions for a microwave, it says do not remove overwrap, cook on high for 4.5 to 5 minutes, and then let sit 1 minute before you serve. So let's do that. A minute. Let's see. Ooh, that's all puffed up. So this must be the vegetable pakoras, according to the package name. That must be these little patties here. Looks like there's 3 of them in sauce, and then a lot of rice with sauce too. It smells really good, and I'm looking forward to having this for dinner. Pretty cool.